Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've finally received the catch can from Western Filters. I ordered it on Wednesday and I just received it today on Friday, which is like pretty fast on delivery. So this is how the package looks like from Western Filters, and this is the actual product. I've done around 120,000 kilometers in my vehicle, so I know it's a bit late, but better than never. So this is the box. You get the actual filter with this code. Sticker, a thank you note, and I can't believe this. There's a lollipop and a bracket. This is bigger than what I expected because I saw a few videos on YouTube of people installing a catch can and the bracket looked pretty small as compared to this, but let's see how it goes when we install. The hoses, another hose, the drain pipe, and a few clamps, and yes, of course, the manual as well, which is pretty detailed. That looks good. So these are all the parts, and most important thing, look at the size of this bracket. Alright, so let's get started. Now this is the 3.2 liter 6-speed Ford Everest. I figured out where the bracket would go. It's going in like this. Over there, and this one will sit on this, and that's how. So I'll undo the bolts and I'll fix it permanently, but I was just trying to figure out where the things would be before I fix the hoses and stuff. And I'll tighten it up. So this is the inlet hose, and there's the outlet on the bottom which will go to the crankcase. So first step is to remove the engine cover. Alright, so this is how it's supposed to look like. Got the bracket, the longer hose on the bottom of the catch can, and the shorter one on the top. Keep the fittings fairly loose because you will probably have to adjust it. So this is work in progress. The top side is done, where the hose is connected to this section of the engine. The installation is now complete and I'm just doing a final inspection. So the catch can is nice and sturdy. The hoses and everything are clamped properly. This thing is not going anywhere. We'll take it for a final test ride. It took me around an hour to do the installation, which is now complete. Hopefully it should be fine. and I'll do another video 5,000 kilometers later to see how much of oil have I stopped going back to the engine. Thank you for watching, and hopefully we'll see you again.